Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to manage your Amazon Prime Visa card. Managing your card effectively is crucial to maximizing its benefits and avoiding potential pitfalls. First, understand the benefits of your Amazon Prime Visa card, which include 5% back on Amazon purchases, 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. You also get travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage. To manage your card, start by setting up an online account on the Chase website or mobile app. This will allow you to track your spending, pay your bills, and monitor your rewards balance. Make sure to set up account alerts to notify you of large transactions, suspicious activity, or when your payment is due. Next, make timely payments to avoid interest charges and late fees. You can set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. It is also essential to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. To maximize your rewards, use your card for all your Amazon purchases, as well as at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. You can also use the Chase Rewards portal to redeem your points for cash back, gift cards, or travel. Another key aspect of managing your card is monitoring your credit score. You can check your credit score for free on the Chase website or mobile app. Keeping a close eye on your credit score will help you identify any potential issues and take corrective action. Finally, take advantage of the card's travel benefits, including travel insurance and purchase protection. These benefits can provide valuable protection when you are traveling or making large purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Amazon Prime Visa card and maximize its benefits. Remember to always keep track of your spending, make timely payments, and monitor your credit score to ensure you get the most out of your card.